back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Korean dramas Suggest have been famous amongst Netflix lovers. The streaming king is continuously handling over binge-worthy Korean masterpieces to connect a massive viewer base. Move to Heaven is one of the flagship collection on Netflix that captivated the audience's hearts with its attractive storyline. The enthusiasts at the moment are counting days for the Display sequel season, so when will the release makers Move to Heaven make season 2? Here is the whole thing we realize. Move to Heaven is one of the maximum famous Netflix South Korean drama that debuted on May 14th of 2021. The Display specializes in the lifestyles of a person with Asperger's syndrome. It's stimulated with the aid of using the Things Left Behind essay with the aid of using Kim Se-bul. With the climax of season 1, the netizens are quite excited to realize approximately about the Display sequel. So here's what we realize. Move to Heaven season 1 is a Netflix authentic collection which landed on the platform. Within a month it has grabbed a respectable fan base and now it's time for a brand new season. The enthusiasts are quite curious about the discharge date of Move to Heaven season 2. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. But the makers have favored being silent at the Display's future. Most Korean dramas provide you with only one season. However, the enthusiasts have excessive expenses from this collection. So Netflix has already renewed it for another season. Season 1 ended on a dramatic note, therefore we can assume that another season is delivered to reply to diverse questions of the enthusiast. So let's watch for authentic decisions. Season 1 marked a dramatic climax with Namu falling for Jiru. The appeal of Namu in direction of Jiwoo will free up new conflicts and warm the storyline for season 2. The new season will carry many twists and is loaded with suspense and drama. Ensure to comply with our web page as we can carry you new information when the renewal of Move to Season 2 happens. As we can carry with you the renewal information of Move to Heaven Season 2 soon. Season 2 of Move to Heaven will likely carry the same cast. Lead characters with Namu and Jiru will make a comeback. Other than that, a few new characters can be delivered to Season 2 to carry new flavors to the plot. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with the friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.